Explanation of was with 50 example sentences to help you understand and use it easily. What is was? Was is the past tense of am and is. We use was with I or he or she or it to talk about a past state, feeling, job, location, or activity. Basic usage patterns of was. 1. I was plus adjective. I was happy. 2. I was plus noun. I was a student. 3. I was plus verb ing, past continuous. I was studying. 4. I was plus place. I was at home. 50 example sentences using was. Feelings and states, past. 1. I was happy yesterday. 2. I was tired after work. 3. I was excited for the trip. 4. I was sad when I heard the news. 5. I was angry with him. 6. I was nervous before the exam. 7. I was relaxed on Sunday. 8. I was confused during the lecture. 9. I was scared of the dark. 10. I was proud of myself. Places you were. 11. I was at home. 12. I was at school yesterday. 13. I was in the market. 14. I was at the park. 15. I was in the office. 16. I was at the station. 17. I was in Delhi last week. 18. I was at the party. 19. I was on the bus. 20. I was in my room. Occupation or identity, past. 21. I was a student before. 22. I was a cashier in 2020. 23. I was your teacher. 24. I was their leader. 25. I was the manager. 26. I was a player in that match. 27. I was his friend. 28. I was a guest at the event. 29. I was her neighbor. 30. I was a member of that group. Past continuous, I was plus verb ing. 31. I was sleeping at 10 p.m. 32. I was reading a book. 33. I was cooking dinner. 34. I was studying for my exam. 35. I was watching TV. 36. I was writing a letter. 37. I was playing cricket. 38. I was cleaning my room. 39. I was working on a project. 40. I was listening to music. Other past situations. 41. I was late for class. 42. I was right about the answer. 43. I was wrong. 44. I was alone at home. 45. I was busy all day. 46. I was free in the evening. 47. I was surprised by the gift. 48. I was thankful for your help. 49. I was in a hurry. 50. I was waiting for you.